Welcome to another day in paradise. Welcome to Zadar. We made it to the marina and we are going to explore the city for a while, and then we search for an excursion to the Croatia National Park, which are a bunch of small little islands in front of the coastline of Zadar, and we want to go there for a swimming trip. Join us, let's go. Yeah. We just climbed the bell tower of Zadar, which gives you a really nice overview over the harbor, marina and the whole city, and the entrance fee is just 15 kuna per person. This 15th century tower has a total from bottom to top of 56 meters. That includes the statue on top. We made our way to the very tip of the marina, where there are these innocent looking staircases, but in fact they are not, because they are a sea organ, which means that there are pipes in those benches, and the waves and the wind push air into those pipes, and so they make different sounds, and yeah, it's like an organ. It's really nice and relaxing to just sit there and look out onto the water and enjoy the sound. Another recommendation, do that! We just finished our short tour through Zadar, and over there at the end of the bridge we booked a private tour. For 4 hours we're going to visit 3 different stops, and there was 150 euros for a boat, which we are going to divide by 2, and then we're going to explore those islands, go for a little bit of snorkeling and diving, and yeah, just being in the water for a little bit and chill out. And that is going to start now. Just spent 1 hour at our first stop, which is Preko Bay, which is right behind me, and just jumped into the water, chilled out for a while, and now heading over to the next stop. Let's go! after another 1.5 hours on Ošljak, which was our last stop, we are about to head back to Zadar and spend our last evening over there. And then tomorrow we are going to leave Croatia, so our Croatia adventure might end with this video, so make sure to give this little guy a light tap, to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have already done that, thank you very much, I really appreciate it. And maybe check one of these videos out, and then I'll see you on the next adventure. I already know where it's going to, but I won't tell you yet.